tap on the conversation that contains the email which you wish to reply to. While viewing a conversation, you can tap reply button at the bottom of the screen. You can also tap reply all if you want to send your reply email back to everyone involved in the conversation at the same time. Write your message here. Add recipients of CC or BCC to your email. Select any text to open the formatting menu and change how your message looks. You can also attach a file to your email if you want. And here is the discard option if you decide not to write the email anymore. When you have put everything that you want to into your email, including recipients, your message and any attachments, tap on the send icon here to get it where it needs to go. And that's pretty much all there is to reply to an email with Gmail.